Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So what are we here talking about?
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
What do you need for vanilla extract? Lots of liquor.
That's pretty much it. Standard version. About a year ago, I posted how to make vanilla extract. You literally just need a bottle of vodka and some vanilla beans, which I buy in bulk. Oh my gosh.
Vanilla.
And all you need to do is actually take one bean, slice it open lengthwise, open it up, and you pop it in your vodka.
Just one?
No, actually, I probably have about 10 in here, 5 or 10. And you know vodka is clear.
Let me bring that closer so you
Yeah.
can see that goodness.
Clearly
That
not
flavorful
clear anymore.
goodness. Look at that.
Yes.
Ooh. Look at that vanilla goodness in there. Woo.
So this is what I keep in my kitchen, and this lasts, I mean, forever. It is so much cheaper than going to this.
Yeah.
I mean, this lasts me forever. So about once a year, though, I actually like to make some fancy ones. So the date on these was actually the 29th of December.
Yeah, last year.
Last year. And we went and bought some rum, we bought some brandy, and we bought some bourbon. And we just got a big bulk of vanilla beans, kept a couple out. It was probably, I think I put like 10 in each one of these. And they've just been in a cool, dark place. They've been in my cellar for a year. And every time I go down, that's where my pantry is.
Yeah.
Every time I go down, I just shake them up. That's about it. And here we are. So what we're doing is a few things. Yvonne and I are here getting ready to put our 3 different flavors of vanilla extract into our little extract bottles. And because what are we going to do with them?
We're going to sell them.
And we're going to
Give them away.
We are.
To you.
To you.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So tell them about what they have to do in order to win.
Okay. So you know how we love to give stuff away to our supporters and our readers and our friends, you guys out there.
Thank you.
So our new plan is, Suzanne recently just posted a great recipe on pancakes.
Mm-hmm.
And where's the flour?
Oh.
It's close by, isn't it? Oh, so
Yeah.
it's
My jovial flour.
jovial flour.
Einkorn. There's nothing GMO. It's an ancient grain. It's a real wheat. It's a plain white flour.
Yeah.
But if you have tummy troubles with gluten, this won't bother you most likely.
Awesome.
Anyway.
Also the vanilla extract is in that recipe as well. So we put up a
Yes.
vanilla extract recipe, well, a recipe that included vanilla extract, and we think that you should give us one of your best recipes that include vanilla extract too.
Yes.
So in order to enter to win a trio of these 3 delicious vanilla extracts in these beautiful bottles that'll be beautifully decorated with our sisterly logos.
2 ounces of each. So you're getting 6 ounces of this very special extract, holiday extract.
All you need to do is go to the bottom of our blog post when we post it and enter a recipe that includes vanilla extract.
Yes. So you're going to just go in and write your recipe, and we're going to have 2 winners. One of them is just going to be chosen at random.
Yeah.
So whoever has actually just put in a recipe, you're going to go in the hat for winning a trio. And then we're going to pick what we think sounds like the best recipe.
That we want to try right away.
Yes, to also win.
So 2 winners.
Yes. So in the meantime, we're going to have, what do we have? About 12 sets of these, right? We have some other, we have about 15, 20 sets of the trio. So we are selling them. And we sold them at our last event. They were a big hit. And if you're interested, you can email us at sisterlystrong.com or put a post with your email. So they're $15 to get the trio. We're not separating. You can't just get the brandy one. You need to get all 3. They're going to be packaged together nicely. And we do ask that you pay for shipping, and we'll do the cheapest way possible. Mm-hmm. And if you're local, we'll just drop it off to you.
Yeah.
So, anything else you want to say about that?
I want to open this up so I can smell the goodness.
It is really good.
Woo! But it's also strong.
That's a brandy one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the bourbon one.
Bourbon.
By the way, bourbon vanilla extract is not vanilla extract made with bourbon.
That's interesting, isn't it?
It is really interesting. You would think so. No, it actually is has to do from where the bean comes. So you can look that up. I looked that up actually. Anyway, we are going to sit here and finish getting our vanilla extract ready for everybody. So let us know your recipes.
Bye.
Toodles.